The Chameleon is an easy-to-use, rugged, and low-cost chemical detection solution. In this training program, we will cover the practical applications and features of the Chameleon to ensure that you are confident in understanding its benefits and limitations. We also recommend that you thoroughly read the operating instructions prior to use. The Chameleon system has two important components: the Chameleon armband and Chameleon chemical detection cassettes. The armband is composed of a stretchable Velcro strap, cassette housing, and slider. To get started, please have both the Chameleon armband and Chameleon chemical cassettes available. You may have purchased the Chameleon in a kit, which includes a Chameleon armband and cassettes in different configurations, or you may have ordered the Chameleon armbands and the cassettes separately. The beauty of the Chameleon is its versatility. The armband can be worn on the forearm, the upper arm, or even the ankle based on comfort and need. You may also remove the cassette housing and attach it to any Velcro surface. The armband also comes in two sizes to ensure comfort. The standard length is approximately 14 inches, while the extra large armband is approximately 18 inches. The stretchable Velcro allows you to securely attach the armband to the body. There are two quick ways to attach the armband. Either thread the strap before or after placing the armband on your arm. In the first method, feed the strap through the slider prior to sliding the armband on the arm. Once on the arm, pull the strap until snug and press Velcro to secure. In the second method, with the armband fully extended, place it on your arm and feed the strap through the slider. Pull the strap until snug and press Velcro to secure. The Chameleon is designed to hold from 1 to 10 cassettes, each cassette detecting a specific toxic chemical or a family of toxic chemicals. Which chemical cassettes and the number of chemical cassettes you use are completely up to you. The Chameleon is field configurable to suit your needs, and these may be different day to day. Today, you may need to load the Chameleon with 10 different cassettes to identify the threat. In another incident, the threat may be known and you might be using only one Chameleon cassette to determine the threat zones. The applications are numerous. Note that the Chameleon cassette is conveniently labeled with an expiration date on the front of the package. Take a Chameleon chemical cassette and tear the pouch at the notch. Remove the cassette. Remember, the Chameleon cassettes have a 24-hour service life, so do not remove a cassette from its packaging until you are ready to use. With text side up, grasp the rounded part of cassette using thumb and index finger. Push cassette until it clicks into place. Repeat with additional cassettes if desired. Please note that you may need to adjust the armband to ensure that you can adequately see all of the cassettes. You are now ready to detect chemicals using the Chameleon. Though the Chameleon is very easy to use, rugged, and versatile, the technology within the Chameleon is proven and scientifically sound. The patented Chameleon design ensures adequate airflow to the individual sensors regardless of orientation or placement on the body. The Chameleon cassettes employ colorimetric chemical formulations that work on the principle of diffusion. There is no user intervention needed. If the targeted chemical is present, it will react with the sensor cassette to form a color change in half of the cassette window. The remaining portion of the cassette will remain at the original color. This allows you to clearly see if the cassette has been exposed to the targeted chemical. No guesswork. If you see one color in the window, the gas is not present. If you see two colors in the window, the cassette has been exposed to the target gas. The Chameleon is a dependable tool to indicate the presence of toxic chemicals. To achieve the best success with the Chameleon, you must view the cassette sensor window regularly to check for a color change. The user does not need to know in advance what the color change will be. Any color change indicates the presence of the targeted chemical. Additionally, Morphix offers a training kit for classroom demonstrations. Morphix Technologies has developed the Chameleon to high military standards, ensuring that limited interferences occur. For specific information, refer to the operating instructions under Cross Interferences. The cassettes are designed to change color when exposed to a target chemical. Higher concentrations will cause color changes faster than lower concentrations. This feature allows you to quickly identify high concentrations of the toxic chemical. The Chameleon cassettes are designed to detect 1/2 IDLH, or immediately dangerous to life and health, concentrations in under 5 minutes, and PEL, or permissible exposure level concentrations, in 30 minutes or less. As a result, the Chameleon will change color well before you may be exposed to a dangerous concentration. Please refer to the operating instructions for concentration and reaction times. The Chameleon is not only versatile but also very rugged. The Chameleon can be used under cold and dry conditions, hot and humid conditions, or dry heat conditions. Unlike other colorimetric products, the Chameleon may be used in the rain and snow. The Chameleon may also be immersed in salt and fresh water for up to an hour. If immersion does occur, slightly shake the water off to ensure clear view of the sensor cassette window, as water may settle in the reservoir. Clearly, the Chameleon can be used under a wide range of harsh conditions. However, we do not recommend using the Chameleon cassettes above 140 degrees Fahrenheit or after immersion in water for greater than 1 hour. Once a color change has occurred on a cassette or after 24 hours of use, remove the cassette from the armband and dispose of accordingly. Be sure to follow your department's policy regarding decontamination. Packaged cassettes should be stored at room temperature until used or until the expiration date. Short-term heat excursions up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit are acceptable. Do not use the Chameleon chemical cassettes beyond the printed expiration date. Use of the Chameleon is subject to the warranty exclusions and limitation of liability printed on the operating instructions. The Field Configured Chemical Detection Unit. If you have any questions or desire further information about the Chameleon, please call the Morphix Customer Service Representatives at 1-800-808-2234 or 757-431-2260.